Good day and welcome to the third episode of the GameMaker tutorial series. In this episode we will be implementing sounds in our maze game. As you can see here to the right, I've already prepared a list of sounds, which we're going to implement some of them. So let's go ahead and do that. The first sound we want to implement is the one when the player picks up a coin and gains a point. And we'll use the sound here called sound coin. So you can just drag it in and indicate that you want to import it as a sound, and it will create a sound automatically. You could also do it manually by clicking this icon here and then loading the sound through the file explorer, but we'll do it this way. I'll name it sound coin. For some reason my GameMaker does not show a save button somewhere down here, so if you have the same issue you can just click enter and then it will save it automatically. Alright, so let's open up the player object, go to the current collision event and go to main 1. You'll see here under the sound section in the main 1 pane that there's an action called play sound. You can just drag it in and select the sound you want to play and choose if it's going to loop or not. In this case we don't want it to loop, we want the sound to play once and not repeat playing it over and over. So you can just click OK when you've configured that. Let's run the game. If you want to loop the sound, that's usually when you have background music. So let's see here. As you can see, the sound plays when we pick up a point. Alright, let's implement another sound for the enemy. This one is the one we're going to use. So let's drag it in, indicate that it's a sound, call it a name, sound explosion, and drag the thing in to the enemy. Don't loop. Also to the second enemy that you made during your challenge from the last episode. There we go. Play the game. So the game gets a bit more fun to play when you're using sounds. So just a quick episode. In the next episode we will be implementing a bit more interesting movement for the game. So see you later, thanks for watching.